Tess with Tess Loves Yarn. And you guys, I am super excited for this video today because I am going to do an unboxing with you from Furls, my absolute favorite crochet hook ever. Yeah. Now, I do want to say this is not sponsored by Furls. I bought and paid for these with my own money. However, Furls, if you're watching, I'd be tickled pink if you'd want to sponsor a video. So, you guys, I recently shared with you some of the health issues I have been facing this last year. That's the video below this one. If you haven't seen that and you'd like to, it's down there. But life has been a little hard, and so I have done a little retail therapy here, and I think that's okay to do retail therapy once in a while, as long as it doesn't become a habit, right? Because then that would not be good. But in this situation, I think it's warranted, right? So I have my Furls box here, and I have my little pin blade, which I really love this thing, you guys. Little pin blade. Doesn't take up much room, and it cuts through anything. I mean, literally, almost anything. So I am going to get this box open, and then we will look at what I ordered together, which is super exciting. Okay, let's see. This tape is really strong, y'all. There we go. Okay, so I have my little thank you card. They always give you a thank you card, which I think is very nice and sweet. And then I have my invoice here, which, costs money, right? And then the packaging, this is what I have inside. So let's take this out. So here it is, everybody. And I am unwrapping this. Oh my gosh. Look at that, you guys. Look at this. Holy cow. Holy cow. Yes, I did. I bought a whole set. A whole set. Now, I do have to say that I did have a 15% off coupon, and then I had another $25 off. So I got 15% off my total purchase, and then I got $25 off of the remainder. So, no, actually, I think it was $30 off the remainder. So I did get quite the deal there. Okay, and I love on the box it says, wait, don't open this end. So they tell you which end to open so that you don't damage your hook. Yeah, which is great, especially if it's a resin hook, because when you drop those, they will sometimes break. And oh my gosh, you guys, look. Look how beautiful that is. It is purple. It's a matte purple, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Okay, you guys, sorry about that. I had to go eat my low glucose sugar. Alarm went off, and I had to stop the video and go eat. So hopefully the lighting is a little bit different now. So apologize if any of you are confused about why this isn't seamless. But yeah, that's why. So getting back to my new Furls hooks. These are the hooks. I do keep them on these little revolving, I keep them in these little revolving pencil holders that I get on Amazon, and I love them. So I will leave a link for these pencil holders that I use for my crochet hooks. I will leave a link below in case you're interested in getting these. I have all of my Furls hooks in there because they just, you know, go right in like that. And it's super convenient, and I can twirl them around and find the right size that I need. So let me tell you a little bit about these hooks. They are streamline metal hooks from Furls. They are the Grape limited edition hooks, and they are a matte finish. I don't know if you can tell. I think you can tell. That is a matte finish. Okay. Now, surprisingly, these grape hooks are the only matte finish Furls hook that I own. All of my other hooks, here are the silver. These are all polished hooks. These are the new Aura streamline metal hooks. These are also new. I did get a set of these as well, but I got those a little while back when they first came out, which I want to say I think was June when these came out. Now these were $28 a piece. The normal price for a Furls streamline metal hook is 26, and the grape matte streamline hooks were 26. They were not 28 like the Aura hooks. They were a little more expensive. So the thing that I was wondering is with the matte finish, I was wondering if this affected the ease that the yarn slides off the hook, if it has any like traction or friction on it. With the other streamline metal hooks, the yarn just slides right off. I mean, it slides right off, right? So you can really get going fast. The only problem with that is that sometimes you're working with a slippery yarn, and you know what I'm talking about, right? Like your kaboo yarn that is super slippery. Bamboo yarn tends to be slippery. You know what I mean? Yeah. So the bamboo yarn, certain other yarns that are slippery, like silk yarns. There's some yarns at Hobby Lobby that are really slippery because they have like a silk component in it, just a little bit, but enough to make the yarn super slippery. Um, Even some cotton yarns can be slippery, and one of those cotton yarns that is a little bit slippery is a Hobby Lobby yarn that I happen to love. It's the Sugar Wheel Cotton Sparkle. So you can tell it's got a little bit of sparkle in it, and it is super slick because it's got that metal, that little metal threading that runs through, so it makes this a little slick and slippery when you're working with it. So I wanted to test these new hooks on that yarn to see, and also on Kaboo, which I did test this right after I ate. And you guys, I am really happy to report these are not as super slick as the polished. See, you can tell the difference. This is polished, the Aura, and this is matte. And so there is a slight difference, and I want to say it is a slight difference. The mat hook does have a tiny bit of like friction or not really grab, but it does have a little bit of traction for the yarn. So it does slow the yarn a tiny bit. It's barely noticeable, but if you're a long-time crocheter, you can definitely notice it. But the really great thing about that is that these hooks will definitely be my favorite hook for yarn like kaboo, any kind of yarn with silk in it. Sometimes alpaca can even slide off the hook really easily. You know, it just depends on what fibers are in your yarn. Yarns with polyester in them can sometimes be slippery, like what I call slippery. So this matte finish on this Furls hook is going to be great for those yarns. And actually it's great for any yarn. I mean, the grab was barely noticeable, but it is there just slightly. So for me, that's a bonus win-win, because I can use these with more slippery yarns. Boy, say that fast 3 times in a row, right, you guys? Whew. So yeah, so overall, these absolutely wonderful. I love them. You all know that I love my Furls hook. They are my Furls streamlined metal hooks. I want to preface that because there are many different kinds of Furls hooks, and my favorite hook to use for anything and all things, plushies and um, thick yarn, thin yarn, you know, all weights of yarn are the Furls hooks. Now, with that said, it's the Streamline Furls metal hooks, the Streamline metal hooks. That's my favorite. There are resin hooks, there are wooden hooks. Furls makes a lot of hooks. These are my favorite, the Streamline metal hooks. So yeah, I also like clover hooks. So if you're looking for a really good hook and Furls are out of your price range, these hooks start at $26. Now, if you get the Ara hooks, these are $28 a piece. Now they do have 15% off coupons pretty frequently that you can use, which is wonderful. It brings that hook price down to about $22. If these are not in your budget and you're looking for a really good hook, I can also recommend, highly recommend Clover more hooks. They are my second favorite hook. They are a close second to Furls. So just want to throw that out there. Don't despair. There are many great hooks out there by different makers, and you know, you have to find the ones that work for you with your crocheting and with your budget, because we all have a budget. Well, not all of us, but most of us. I know I do. That is it for today, you guys. I have to run off and go to the infusion center to have an infusion. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for being here. To all of my subscribers and my private channel members, I appreciate you so much. You are amazing. If you are new here and you like me and you like my content, I'd be tickled pink if you'd hit that subscribe button. So, now that that's all said, you know what's next. Be kind and be safe out there in the world, no matter where you are. See you all soon. Bye, everybody.